Hi guys, Kev from Kevlar Gaming here. So back in the office, just really a real quick update. So in the last video I went through everything we had done to finish off the room, and all I had left to do was the cable management really. And I said I might share that in a separate video, and I've decided I will do, just in case you're interested. So if you remember from the previous video, I tried drilling the hole myself and broke my drill bit and decided I should get someone a bit more professional to come and help me out. However, yeah, they delayed it, or they couldn't turn up the day we booked them, and I really wanted to get it done last weekend, so I went out and bought another drill bit, but this time from a proper DIY store, not just from Amazon, and I used my power drill instead of my standard handheld drill, and it went pretty well, so I'll show you what I've done. So yeah, coming over, so I've managed to drill my holes in there and put my little caps in, so there's 3 of them. If you remember where I showed you I was going to put them, they're all in their places where they should be. And yeah, so I'll just quickly show you my cable management. The one annoying wire is that one there. So that's the Ethernet cable going to the TV. So I think I mentioned before I've gone fully wired in here, not wireless. Seemed a bit easier. So yeah, all my cables from my work setup, all nice and neat on the desk. Got a little USB extender there for if I need to plug in extra things. Then underneath, they can't really see much in there, it's all nice and neat, so it just tucks behind the cabinet. Then you can see the cable goes across. So I've moved over here. So I've got my mic for my gaming setup, my YouTubing. So wire going to that, so that all goes along there. If I start off up here, so I've got my gaming PC. This is the bit that took the longest because there's cables galore really. So I managed to get that all quite neatly tied up. A little bit messy behind there, but that's hidden. You can't see it, and then that all goes down the hole there. And let me just move the box out the way. Honestly, it's not there to hide anything, it's just there for storage. So yeah, I think that's pretty neat. So I've just got one plug there. The extension cables connected up there, then basically it's a bit like spaghetti junction really. There's just cables all over the place, but just to fit them in I was looping them round and looping them around the legs just to try and keep them up high, and then connect them where I can to the underneath of the desk and try and keep them relatively neat, which I think I've done alright. Then for my wife's setup, got her Ethernet cable coming along there. I mean, this was the easiest one to do. This is what I did once because she doesn't really have much. She's just got the monitor. She doesn't have a docking station. She just plugs her laptop in there. So I've just got her cables coming off there really. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how that went. It did take me a good 3 or 4 hours. The way I did it, pretty basic really. I mean, I'll show you there. So these little clippy things, got from Amazon, bought a pack of 50 of those, multiple different sizes. So use them for clipping the cables on, and they've all stuck really well actually. They all came with the 3M tape, so you know, they were cheap, but they stick really well. And then for the bulkier items that are stuck on, I've used, I can show you here actually, because I put some over here on there. So the little Velcro strips, and again they're 3M tape as well. They stick really well. I use them for picking up pictures as well. So my picture up there is on with those. So yeah, I've got 2 there ready because I've got an extension cable that if I ever do need to plug more stuff in, I can just stick it on the side there. So that's ready to go if I need to ever use an extension cable over this side. But at the moment, I only need two plugs plugged in down there. Because the TV's got a socket behind the wall. So yeah, so that's it. So the cable management I think went pretty well. Happy with it. It's all nice and neat. I don't think there's much else to do. I was talking about trying to get some soundproofing. I mean, maybe some canvas pictures on that wall. My wife doesn't obviously want it to be look too messy. She wants it to be neat, so I might get some proper foam just behind my area there, kind of hidden, and then the rest we might go over like canvas pictures just to try and break the sound up a bit. But yeah, good. Happy with the cable management. So yeah, if you were interested, there it is. If not, then you obviously wouldn't have got this far in the video anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.